This is my Gorgeous Little Things journal. It measures 6.5 inches by 9 inches, and it has a 2-inch spine. It has a little bit of a vintage look, a little bit of a distressed look. I've used metal corners on all 4 corners. I think this just looks so gorgeous. It has a rounded spine, and it has 4 signatures with 146 pages. I've used a hidden pamphlet stitch to attach the signatures. On the front you see a little bit of embossing and some raised images. I have used a hitch post and sorry fastener for this album, and it features Santoro's Gorjuss Girls. Yeah, I've done a lot of fussy cutting on this mini, so let's get to it. A lot of lace accents, a lot of journal cards. One of our little girls that are fussy cut, a lot of washi tape. Here's a little tuck spot with a tag, die cut flourishes, some fabric tabs, a little envelope with the journaling card in it. Underneath this tuck that has a doily and a little bit of fluted dictionary paper and some cardstock. This is a music page, and again we have another one of our little Gorjuss Girls and a tag, and we have a journaling card with some stenciling on it. I just love these little Gorjuss Girls. Here's a little bit of stenciling and a tablet page with some lace accents, some stamping, heart cutouts, little fabric tab, another one of those Gorjuss Girls with a journaling card underneath the tuck. And this is one of those, I love this Gorjuss Girl, and this is one of those papers that looks like an envelope. I just love to put these in my album. They just look so cool. I think you could write some secrets on that. More stenciling, lace accents, little banner tuck spot, the journaling card, and envelope with a little word stick in it. Underneath that banner tuck. And this is a dictionary page. Another little Gorjuss Girl with a tag underneath that tuck spot. And these are the center has, each of these has a journaling card, and the tuck on the front, and a journaling card on the inside. And then on the back we have a little tuck spot with another journaling card, more tablet paper with some stenciling, coffee dyed paper with some lace accents, another tuck with a couple of journaling cards in that tuck, under that tuck. This is another dictionary page, another one of those tablet sheets. It looks like an envelope. Look at this little Gorjuss Girl. And some cutouts with some fabric tab. There's another little Gorjuss Girl with a note card underneath the tuck. Another little Gorjuss Girl, and this is a tag. Lots of room for journaling or pictures or memorabilia or whatever. Stenciling, stamping, more stenciling, lace accents, a little tuck spot. This is a little Gorjuss Girl embellishment. Here's another little journaling card, little die cut flourish, an envelope, and this is a book page, stenciling, washi tape, another little journal card. And this book was a school book, and I actually just left all the writing and things that were in the book when I took it out. Some washi tape, a little Gorjuss Girl, another little Gorjuss Girl, And washi. It's another little opportunity for journaling. On that page. Another little cutout, fabric tab, little tag, cutouts. This is a journaling card. Underneath that cute little tuck spot, music paper, another little gorgeous girl, journaling card, stenciling, fabric tab. I'll just go through this real quickly. Just love these gorgeous girls. Little tuck spot, the doily and the gorgeous girl. Washi, die cut flourish, lace accent. Another little gorgeous girl. Envelope, a little word stick. And a journaling card, a little corner tuck, more of those journaling cards. Look at this little gorgeous girl, isn't she cute? Another tuck, a journaling card. Dictionary page, a couple of word sticks. Corner tuck, gorgeous girl, lace accent stamping, little Victorian corners there, another gorgeous girl, book page, another little gorgeous girl. Manor tuck. I just had so much fun making this book. I don't know where I get my ideas sometimes, but I surely did enjoy making this book. I love these images. My friend from Greece sent me several of those cards, quite a few of those cards, and so I put them, I scanned them into my computer so that I could resize them and turn them into fussy cuts. I've made a special surprise for my friend in Greece. I haven't gotten it in the mail to her yet, but that'll be going out shortly. Another dictionary page. This is an envelope. A little journaling spot in it. Another journaling opportunity. Underneath that tuck, more die cut flourish with a lace accent. A little tuck spot with this little gorgeous girl tag. This has 146 pages plus all the journaling cards and tags. Turned out quite nice. Lots of room on some of these places for journaling. I just love the way that page turned out. Another corner tuck, a journaling card, and tag. Love this little belly band with this little gorgeous girl there. This little tuck, some journaling cards. She's cute on that little doily. More stenciling. Stamping, die cut flourish, journaling card with that gorgeous girl. How cute is she? Word stick, journaling card, another cute cutouts, journaling card. Lots of little tuck spots, little embellishments here and there, hearts, Look at her, is she cute? Little journaling card. A little tiny tag and a journaling card. Under that corner tuck with that gorgeous girl and some hearts. The music page. More cutouts, more heart cutouts. The tag. Gorgeous girl. Stenciling. I'm going to get brave enough one of these days. I think if I can stencil, I can use the texture paste somewhere, but I haven't ever tried it. This is another envelope. A little word stick in the envelope. Tuck spot. A belly band. A couple little tags. A little interest on the tags. More tablet paper. And some stenciling, stamping. More of those cutouts, lace accents, journaling card, and Gorjuss girl, and a little tuck spot. And we have some washi and fabric tab. A little corner tuck with a Gorjuss girl. A couple of little pages there with a journaling spot. I surely did have fun making this album. I hope that this journal finds a forever home. Thank you for watching.